Hello everyone, I'm Almanza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. Kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Let's go na guys, umpisahan na natin ang topic natin today. Why you are bloated always and how to get fast relief. Bloating is uncomfortable, full and tight feeling in your stomach. It might feel like your tummy is full, swollen, sometimes tender, and that can cause discomfort. It can also make your belly look larger. Some people complain of being so bloated that they look pregnant. That full, uncomfortable feeling is due to build up of pressure inside of your stomach. Overeating can stretch your stomach, which may leading bloating. So, pag overeating din, nagkukos din yan ng bloated. Eating quickly also is another cause. When you eat too fast, you are more likely to swallow. Excess in digestive tract can lead to bloating. Gas can be produced during the digestion of certain food. Your stomach is filled with extra air which causes your stomach to fill with gas. Especially if you are eating chewing gum, and smoking can also cause you to take in extra air. Certain common condition may cause you to have irritable bowel syndrome. Some bloating experience due to food sensitivities such as lactose or gluten intolerance. When your body is intolerant to certain foods, it can't break it down before it gets to your colon. Once it reaches into your colon, it creates gas bubbles which go into your stomach. So, yun na ang umpisa na mag-gas pain ka or mag-bloated ang tiyan mo. You have to identify and avoiding foods that trigger your bloating. Kailangang malaman mo kung ano yung pagkain na nakatrigger sa bloating ng tiyan mo. Keeping track of what you eat. See what food trigger your bloating symptoms and see if you can eliminate those foods. Kung yun man ang nakakos ng bloated mo sa tiyan, kung pwede siyang alisin sa pagkain mo, wag mo na siyang kainin. There is some few ways to help prevent bloating or bloated. A simple ways, don't eat too much. Chew your food thoroughly and eat slowly. Take smaller portion in your plate. Avoid also salty and fatty food. High in salt and fats are harder for your digestive system to break down. This leads to more gas. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help move foods through your digestive system, preventing constipation and bloating. So, kailangan uminom ka ng marami para ma-wash out mo yung mga nagbara sa colon mo or sa intestine mo. Tea, peppermint, ginger, and chamomile have anti-bloating properties. Peppermint and ginger relax the stomach muscles, which reduces the spasms and the feeling of being bloated. Chamomile is an anti-inflammatory herb which helps to reduce the swollenness of bloating. The warmth of tea also helps to relax the body. Certain over-the-counter medication helps to temporarily relieve bloating. Common antacid people use. It will help bloated stomach. Use a warm compress, a hot water bottle, or a heating pad. Applying heat to your abdomen can help relax muscles. The warmth helps get rid of belly pain that comes along with bloating. When your muscles relax, your body can more comfortably digest. Get moving. Physical activity can stimulate digestion and alleviate bloating. Incorporate light exercise such as walking or stretching into your routine. When you feel bloated all the time, may require investigation. Chronic bloating may be a sign of an underlying health issue. Talk to your health care provider. Mas maaga, mas mabuti. Kaya magpatingin ng doktor. Prevention is better than cure. Ang bloated talaga ay very painful and discomfort. Kailangan itingnan natin kung anong nakatrigger ng bloated natin. Pagkain ba? Pwede nating iwasan yan. Sana guys, may nakuha kayong aral dito sa topic ko. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko. At sana may natutunan kayo dito. At kung may gusto kayong itanong sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang kayo below. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Pangalagaan natin palagi ang health natin kasi ito lang ang tanging regalo ni God sa atin. Remember guys, health is wealth. Pagpapasalamat ako palagi sa lahat ng subscribers at non-subscribers, mga silent viewers na laging nanonood sa video ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa suportang binigay nyo dito sa channel ko. May God bless us. Bye guys! Thank you for watching!